Hi,
So what you making, brother? Here?
I'm just doing painting.
Wow.
I'm
And
a
what's your
bard.
name?
My name is Credo Boris.
You're from not Rwanda.
No, I'm not currently from here, but I work with road drugs in
Yeah.
creating.
From which country you are?
I'm from Rwanda, of
You're from
course.
Rwanda?
I'm from Rwanda, yeah.
You look like
Gumali?
no, the country, African country. People in too much.
Which country?
I forget the country. You know Bob Marley?
Yeah, Bumali. He's from Jamaica.
You look
In the
like him.
Caribbean countries. Yeah, many people tell me that.
Really?
Yeah, it's because of dreadlocks maybe, or
Yeah, the way you design yourself, like
Yeah.
you know, whole.
yeah. The only thing is it's because as artists we are free.
And you can accept anything.
Yeah, we can accept everything. We can do everything which is not illegal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you making today? Is a real
Or
picture or
this-
is it just your imagination?
This is from the observation. It's a commission
Okay.
I was given. I've been doing on it since like 3 days ago.
3 days
So
ago.
I'm about 15%.
Okay. And what's your name, brother?
I'm Credo Boris.
Okay.
Yeah.
And since how long you are working in this expertise? Basically, you are expert.
Yeah, I've been this sector since 2016.
2016.
Yeah, professionally. But
okay.
before I did it as an internship, working like those little kids.
Ah,
But 2016 I started as professional artist.
okay. And where you learn these things?
I'm self-taught.
Really?
Yeah,
By
I'm
YouTube
self-taught.
or by?
I just get some tutorials from YouTube, and I learn from experience from the other brothers
Mm.
from all over the world.
So nobody has teach you these things.
Yeah, I teach them myself.
Yeah, like you never went to college to learn this.
Yeah, I've never gone to college because the art schools in our country
Okay.
are not that many, so that it can just satisfy us all.
Okay, and how many days take it to make this painting?
To make this from framing and putting the canvas, it can take me like 12 days, I think.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
working like 5 hours a day.
And somebody order you this thing?
Yeah, it's just a commission.
Ah,
Yeah, it's
okay.
just a commission.
And okay, so how get you ordered? Like somebody order you by WhatsApp, by Gmail?
Yeah, some is by my platforms, Instagram, Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you
Never-
work with this organization or independent worker?
Yeah, once I'm not in this place, I work as an independent artist.
Ah, okay.
But once I come here, I work with letters and just creating those codes,
Mhm.
helping them to do some paintings and whatever. I teach them how to do the
Wow.
paintings. Yeah.
Okay. And how many hours you work?
Hours of work,
Hmm.
it's from 9 to 5 p.m.
It's too heavy, no?
Yeah, it's not that heavy because it's the thing that I like and the thing that I love. Even sharing stories with the little kids is something which is cherishable.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I was grown like those kids, so after growing up, I want to give my support to the others so that
Okay.
they can grow the way I grow.
Okay. And this is oil painting or this is?
It's acrylic.
Acrylic.
It's acrylic. We normally don't use oil that much because it takes too time to dry.
Ah, yeah. Acrylic will dry fast.
I did dry so first.
So this painting, how many days will it take normally for you? This painting, the one you're doing now.
It's gonna take me like 12 days.
12 days.
Yeah, 12 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
And somebody has ordered this, requested for you
Yeah.
to make it?
Yeah. He ordered this from the other missions that I got.
Okay.
And then he told me that he must get this thing.
Okay.
And then I'm
And
working on it.
example, somebody ordered the this painting. So how you receive the order?
It's via my digital platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, and whatever, and my emails. So they order me, and then I work on
You
their
work for
project.
that.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Even some people come here, and then they give me commission from this place.
okay.
Yeah.
So example, somebody want to communicate with you. So
Yeah.
is it possible you can talk to the camera and tell them
Yeah,
like what is your contact number, how they can reach you, and how can they can put the
Yeah, that's
email,
fine.
WhatsApp. You can tell.
my Instagram is credibolis. It's credibolis arts. Credibolis arts.
Okay.
It's the same as my Facebook. It's credibolis. My WhatsApp is plus 250 7899 19611.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, okay, no problem. So the job you do here is go to this trust or charitable people
Yeah,
in charity.
the percentage that comes from the money that we get,
Mhm.
that goes there in the fund so that they can help to
Mhm.
raise those kids and the women local women,
Local.
because this just
To supporting the society
yeah,
normally.
supporting the society around.
Yeah, around the Muslim.
It's sustainable.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are in acrylic only, no oil painting you do?
I do oil paintings.
You do
I
also.
do them, but when we are here working in this community, we normally use the oil acrylic paints because it takes a short time to dry.
Okay.
Once I'm working independently, I use even oil.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much.